Hello everyone, with your programs. In this video we speak about Flutter Syntax View. Now we connect this package. Open PubSpec YAML, save. Open main.dart and update this file. Remove comments. Now we add variable code, write static, write const, string, write code, and add information. Next, variable syntax views. Add import. And now we add text title, write Flutter Syntax View example. Then we add parameter background color, write colors dot blue gray. Next, elevation 6. Then we update body, write list view builder. Write padding, edge insets all 8, add item count, write syntax views length. Now we work with item builder, write return card, and we add variables them name and syntax view. Write string, write them name, write syntax views dot case dot element add index. Then we write syntax view, and add syntax views dot values dot element add index. Then we work with widget card, add parameter margin, add edge insets all 10, add elevation 6.0, add parameter child, add widget column children. Then we add widget padding, add edge insets all 3.0, add parameter child, add widget row, add parameter main axis alignment dot center, add children, add icon, write icons dot brush sharp, write text, add them name, add parameter style, add text style, write font weight, write font weight bold. Write icon, write icons dot brush sharp, save. Then we add widget divider, write if syntax view dot expanded. Then we add widget sized box, add parameter height, add media query of context dot size dot height 2.5. Then we add parameter child and add syntax view. Write else, write syntax view, save. And now we open browser and look our work. This all in this video. Subscribe my channel, add likes, and see you in the next lesson. Bye.